do it like, and then we gon' do it like Khalil on the track like Frankie on the beat like. So many girls in the world that I love to be with, but I can't make up my mind, I know it might seem a little bit crazy, but girl, they make me think of ice cream, different colors and flavors, but which one is my wifey? Sugar, spice, everything nice, and that's what girls are made of. But I've been watching you for a while, and baby, all these 31 flavors, I can't pick one, just like ice cream, and I just wanna savor every flavor, just like ice cream, 'cause they're all so sweet, so sweet, so good. I don't really have a favorite, but this one's good. Shawty gonna be my baby. Looking at all these pretty girls gave me brain freeze, 'cause I'm so stuck on you. Brown butter pecan, vanilla to Oreo, tryna find the one is a rocky road, but I think I'm getting close. I don't wanna rush, I just wanna take it slow. Oh, sugar, spice, everything nice, and that's what girls are made of. But I've been watching you for a while, and baby, all these 31 flavors, I can't pick one. And I just wanna savor every flavor, just like ice cream. So sweet, so good. I don't really have a favorite. What's good on two? Shawty gonna be my baby. Ladies, like a Baskin Robbins, I'ma scoop you up, and I just can't get enough of you. Sweet rush, sweet rush, sweet rush. So many flavors, I just don't know. 31 flavors, I can't pick one, just like ice cream. And I just wanna savor every flavor, just like ice cream. Sweet, so good. I don't really have a favorite. On two, Shawty gonna be my baby. 31 flavors, I can't pick one, and I just wanna savor every flavor. 31 flavors, I can't pick one, I can't pick one, and I just wanna savor every flavor.